Good morning. I will assembly about single station standard version. The first thing, you will use this screw for fix it under the armrest and table like this, and then use the SC21 like this. Take it up, put this down, be careful about this cable, put it inside the hole like this, and then take it up, lock it here like this, and then provide the cable to the device. The first thing, use USB hub. Put the USB for SPO2 inside. Put the arm-rod cable inside like this. And then coming to SC21, put the USB like this. Put the arm-rod cable like this to the USB port like this. Yes, that is. Thank you.